Peter, do you get sometimes stressed when...
Are there a lot of things?
Do you think it's me?
I think it's Mia because she was acting suspicious.
I think it's Peter. Why? I don't have a good reason.
I think the Sasha is me because always when someone asks her, she's a bit like uncomfortable. I think it's Marta.
If she gave a specific answer, she wouldn't give the right answer.
This was very fun.
Wait, how many people are supposed to be playing this meeting?
Yes, it was Reggie. He found. He wants to go to Dwalding.
Good.
Quiz. How many? Narrow. Okay, now you're
Thank
you.
Roll the dice. Roll the dice.
Four.
Look what.
You're left. You're the left. Yes!
Which was
Me? Shh. You're sweet. Yes, I found you. Are you the girl with the dark hair at the table? What's your name? Brenda Ford.
It's me. Are you Tina Jackson? Are you Smith?
No, I'm not. The girl next to me is me, but she doesn't talk.
Of course, there's a lovely game.
Oh, we're along here. Where is everyone? You're here. You're last. What? We're not. We're here with the Smee. No, I'm Smee.
No, she's right here.
How is that possible? She was here. Her name is Brenda Ford.
Smith? Are the girl with dark hair? What is your name?
Brenda Ford. Smee? Shh. Are you Smee?
This me is right next to us.
Hello, Smee. What's your name? Who are you? Well, it's against the rules to talk, but we can break the rules.
We've been here for a long time.
Where is it?
There you are. We've been waiting for you. You lost.
What do you mean? Smee is right next to us.
I was me.
This is not possible. This me was here and her name is Brenda Ford.
It's so cold. The winter is really here. Okay. Can you open the window? Hello, can you open the window? This coach is falling apart. They're probably just using this one repair the new one. The air is so damp and cold and wet. You look kind of pale. And dead.
May I open the window? Hey, Brit, may I open the window? I'm gonna open it anyways. Oh, this window looks like it's not cleaned for years. The air is kind of damp. Right? It's just me. Or okay. The whole couch. The new one must have been repairing, but so they're using the old one. Right, guys? Are you all fine? You look pale. You look not one. You look that.